Hey everyone, it's Friedia here, and I have a special guest. So just a minute ago, I received a new toner that I tried out, and now I want to do a review for the Clarins Paris Double Serum Hydric and Lipidic System. So I heard it's a great anti-aging serum, and some of you may know that in February I hit a milestone, and I have been just trying to do my best with skincare. I feel like I'm doing double the amount than I was before. I'm definitely not wearing as much makeup during this lockdown shutdown, so I think that's already been helping, and I've been also making sure I wear sunscreen even though I'm not wearing anything. But something like this gets me so excited because hopefully it does what it says. Visibly reduces wrinkles, promotes skin firmness, revives radiance, hydrates and smooths, and visibly tightens pores. I'm really curious about, it says your customized dose, so I guess you can customize how much comes out. So when you look at the bottom of the bottle, you can see that there's two different serums, and when they come out, it comes out as one. And then on the top, there's like a little bit and a lot. So let's try a little bit and see what it says. So it says that it's the #1 best-selling, so small, #1 best-selling anti-aging serum. You guys, there's so many reviews for this that I knew I had to give it a try. Okay, it just smells nice. The color is kind of orange, and I think it's because there's turmeric in it. Ooh, it does smell nice. And it comes on really smooth and light. It's not very thick. It just seeped right into my skin, and now, I don't know if you can see, but it's all gone now. I feel like maybe not the little dose. I should probably put a lot of dose. It's good for all ages, all ethnicities, all skin types, even the most sensitive skin, which is nice because for me, if anything, if it's too strong, like too much alcohol or whatever it is, I get red right away. And then it also says to follow with a moisturizer to boost results. 1 month of this, and let's see what happens, shall we? Turmeric addresses all visible signs of skin aging. A youth-boosting trio of organic banana, teasel, and organic oat visibly firms, lifts, and fights fine lines and wrinkles. A comforting blend of avocado, mango, and organic kiwi softens and nourishes. It's so plant-based that it says a fusion of beautyberry, organic goji berry, and horse chestnut energizes, eliminates toxins, and revives radiance. Red Hania, Huang Qi, and Ortho. I have no idea what these are, but they help eliminate dead skin cells, purify and visibly refine skin texture, and mattify skin. 1 double serum is sold every 5 seconds. I know that these products tend to be pricey, but really you can't get the same effect when it's too affordable or too cheap. There's always a reason why the price is so high, and just looking at the ingredients itself, like it seems like they're using everything that you want in your skin. So I'm really excited. Hopefully you guys will give it a try, or if you have tried it, let me know. There's like thousands and thousands of reviews that I couldn't read through all of them, and all of them were really happy ones. I think this is my first step to anti-aging skincare, so I'm really, really excited. Thank you so much, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys very soon. Bye!